A magnitude 6.5 earthquake hit Southern California on August 21, 2023, at 7:42 p.m. local time, near Ridgecrest. Significant damage occurred in Ridgecrest, with several buildings damaged or destroyed, along with power outages. There were reports of at least 15 injuries, but no reported fatalities. The strongest earthquake in California since 2014, and the strongest in Ridgecrest since 1992. Seismologists warn of possible aftershocks, urging safety precautions. The quake led to damage in roads, bridges, and buildings, with thousands affected by power outages. Seismologists are investigating the earthquake's cause and impact.